is the house of Israel. The vineyard of the Lord is the house of Israel. You brought a wine out of Egypt. To plant it you drew out the nations. It stretched out its branches to the sea. To the great river it stretched out its shore. The vineyard of the Lord is the house of Israel. Then why have you broken down its wall? It is plucked by all who pass by. It is ravished by the boar of the forest, devoured by the beasts of the field. The vineyard of the Lord is the house of Israel. God of hosts, turn again, we implore. Look down from heaven and see. Visit this vine and protect it, the vine your right hand has planted. The vineyard of the Lord is the house of Israel. And we shall never forsake you again. Give us life that we may call upon your name. God of hosts, bring us back. Let your face shine on us and we shall be saved. The vineyard of the Lord is the house of Israel. Your word is truth, O Lord. Sanctify us in the truth.